Hey folks, Alan here again from LearnKoreanFast.com, and in this video we're going to be talking about humor in Korean, right? So one of the things I found out, and my wife teases me, it gives me a difficult time about a lot, is I like to make jokes, and I do it all the time. And I try to do it in Korean, and it just doesn't go over well, right? Maybe maybe I'm just not funny, right? But actually, the difference is the way that Koreans joke is a little bit different, right? But it is helpful, and in case someone doesn't really understand, it's really good to be able to say, "Oh, it was a joke," right? Or "I am joking," and that word is 농담. And we can just say 농담 if we want to, right? Just say, "Oh, 농담," right? And we can say, "Oh, it means it's a joke," right? So we can use this full sentence, right? 농담. We could ask, right? Are you joking? 농담이에요? Are you joking? 농담이에요, right? So we can go back down and make the tone go down, right? 농담이에요, right? But it is really useful to be able to do, and maybe it can help you to kind of squelch some situation that might where we try to say something funny, or maybe even we made a mistake, right? So, oh, 농담이에요. I'm just joking, or I'm not serious, or I don't really mean this, right? So it is a really good thing to know, and it's also kind of good to know that, sorry, just not a lot of joking going on in Korean. They say funny things and do funny things, but it's just really the sense of humor is very different in Korean than it is in English, right? So, but this word 농담 is really useful word to add to our vocabulary, right? So I hope that helps you out. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done it already. Hit the like, hit the share, leave a question or a comment if you've got that. I really would appreciate it. And I appreciate everyone for watching my videos. Thanks a lot, right? Check out the links below to LearnKoreanFast.com. There are a couple of free resources you can get there for helping you to learn Korean faster. And also there's links to my books on Amazon below. And I really appreciate you checking that out because it really helps me a lot. And I do appreciate it a lot. All right? So, 다음에 뵙시다.